Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free beauty for the most part. Sometimes some food, sometimes some lifestyle. Today we're gonna get into my Ipsy bags. What came in a box, but whatever. So I get the Ipsy Glam bag and the Ipsy Glam bag Plus, which I did a look using. Well, I used a different palette, but I tried it. So I used a different palette, but I also used as much as I could with this box. So let's get into it. So this is the Ipsy Glam bag. I think it is so cute. I love the pink, the purple, the green. So I got the Dew of the Gods, which we get this in BoxyCharm a lot in other boxes. This is the Feels Mini Squalene Oat Milk Microdermabrasion Dry Erase Facial Scrub. I have not used this yet. It's holographic. And yeah, diamonds are cold, gold is overrated, silk is just a fabric. Don't pretend, feel what's real. Okay? Microdermabrasion crystals bind to a rich oat milk base to form the ultimate dry erase. Say goodbye to layers, years, and tears with our Luxe Dry Erase Facial Scrub, formulated with fatty squalene to protect new skin while the old you washes away. Go catch the feels. Feels is a dry scrub for the deepest dry erase. So it's supposed to put this on dry skin. Okay, well, I will get back to you on that. And then I used this today. Well, I used both the lip products, cheek products, and the eye products, except for the mascara. So this is from Tarte C, their C line. This is their H2O Balm in the shade Villa. It's just like a pretty nude. Like, I thought it was gonna be darker, honestly, but it's just kind of like, well, like that, it's just like a nude. And then I put that on top of the A for Beauty Desert Rose Lip and Cheek Oil Stain. I put this on as a blush today. It's still a little sticky, but not like too bad. I put basically these two together, and it's a lip stain, so there you go. It was okay as a blush. I wouldn't like, it's not really my cup of tea, but it was pretty. And then I used this yesterday. This is a liner. It's called the Little Liquid Liner from Wing Me. I thought this was really good. Very long wearing. I'm not going to swatch it, but it's a felt tip, but it's really tiny. And it was super easy to use. Like I said, very long wearing, very black, matte. Yeah. Packaging is really cute. Hot pink in this inside. Also, we get this brand a lot too, but this is from Gold Faden or Gold Faden MD. Bright Eyes. You know, we got to get that eye cream. This is for dark circles, the Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. We always got to have eye creams, you know? So that was what we got in our Ipsy Glam bag. And then for our Glam Bag Plus, we got this really cute palette from Winky Lux. I haven't used Winky Lux in a long time, from BoxyCharm, like years and years ago. I forgot what it was called, like the Cat's palette or something. So it has a little bit of a coffee scent, but not crazy. So I'm using, let's see, I'm using Frothy in the inner corner. Sugar Crystal as a highlight today, which is really pretty. Brulee in the crease. So I'm using Chai on the middle of my lid. Honey Lavender on the inner part of my lid. Hibiscus on the outer part of my lid, and hazelnut. Actually, I did not use it, so I used all but one shade. Cinnamon on the lower lash line, and I will show you guys the look that I did with everything right now. Easy to use. The mattes are really easy to use. Are they the most pigmented? No, but like, they don't need to be. This is like a good everyday, like, if we're going to work kind of palette. The shimmers are really good. I thought they were pigmented. It's a neutral palette. It's gonna be a neutral palette, but I thought, like I said, it's really nice. And then we have from Earth Harbor, because you gotta have an Earth Harbor product. I actually really like their products. I think I almost have everything from them, but this is their Deep Pore Gel Cleanser with chlorophyll and botanical BHA. I just like how minimalist their packaging is. Like, it's very simple. So, a lush refuge for skin relief, this low foaming, oil-free gel cleanser is infused with verdant, purifying botanicals to deeply cleanse pores and replenish glow. The gentle not stripping, the gentle non-stripping, which is good for dry skin, hopefully, formula invites all skin types to a dreamy oasis of clear and peaceful skin energy, both day and night. Chlorophyll, white willow bark, BHA, desert plant extract, seaweed, and ancient sea minerals combine to reduce excess oil and clarify skin while keeping your skin's barrier balanced and calm. Here's to discovering skin paradise. That all sounds fantastic. This is all organic, non-GMO, wild crafted, 1% for the planet, which is awesome, climate neutral. Yeah, that sounds awesome. And then we have, this is going to my friend Olivia. I have a whole box of things I'm sending to my friend. This is from Hey Honey. Obviously not vegan. This is their Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask to restore the appearance of dull skin impacted by environmental factors. I'm sending this to her. She loves skincare. Oh, and this was the bag, which I might be sending to her too. This is so cute. And then this is a skincare heavy box. We have the Murad Hydration Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture. I've not used this before. See, it's supposed to be this luxurious yet lightweight cream with advanced hyaluronic acid. I love hyaluronic acid. Technology provides 24-hour hydration, restores suppleness, and visibly reduces the appearance of fine line and wrinkles. Coconut extract helps provide enhanced moisture retention and gives skin a youthfully smooth texture. Gentle enough for sensitive skin. And I got a mascara. I believe it was in this box, or it was in this box. This is from BV Beauty Vault, but it's VAULTE. I'm not opening this because I have tons of mascaras I need to try. And I need to see if it's even, let's see if it's vegan or not. I don't see any beeswax or anything like that, so I believe it is vegan. I'll have to double check. But yeah, I have so many mascaras I need to try. It's like ridiculous. So yeah, that is what we got in both boxes. Let me know what you guys got. What did you guys choose? I give this in PR, so I don't get to choose my products. But I'm really excited for BoxyCharm in January. And I'm excited for the choices on January 9th. So let me know if you want to see any spoilers or updates or reviews. Please check out my TikTok, VeganBrie823. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.